Look at this, Facebook. We're here in Wartrace, Tennessee. Look at this. We got a train sitting here. CSX 6516 and CSX 6135. There's a guy over there with a flashlight. This is on Main Street in Wartrace. It is currently 33 degrees. Wow. I already made 2 YouTube videos about this, so be sure to get ready to check that out. It's just sitting here. This is the second time it backed up earlier, and here it is back at the same spot it was. And now it's backing up again. Look at that. There it goes. There's no train coming over that way. As you can see or hear. So yeah, I wonder what's happening. Peace.